Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to find your hidden posts on Facebook using the web version on your PC. If you've ever hidden a post and later couldn't remember where it went, don't worry, Facebook keeps everything, and you can access it in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, click on Settings and Privacy. When it expands, select Activity Log. This is where Facebook stores a complete record of your actions, including posts you've interacted with, deleted, or hidden. Now that you're inside the activity log, look for the section labeled Your Facebook Activity. This area organizes your activity into different categories, making it easier to find exactly what you're looking for. Next, click on Posts. This will display all your post-related activities. To narrow it down further, find and click on the option that says Posts Hidden from Profile. This is the key section where all your hidden posts are stored. Once you open it, you'll see a list of posts you've previously hidden from your timeline. From here, you can review them. And if you want to make any of them visible again, simply select the post and choose the option to add it back to your profile. And that's it. That's how you quickly find and manage your hidden posts on Facebook using a PC. This new layout makes it easier than ever to stay in control of your content. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more tutorials like this to stay updated with the latest Facebook features.